So yeah, my name is Reniel. So you can actually call me Ren. Yeah. And I'm a cloud solutions architect under Westcon Comstar. Okay, let's start. So modern workplace. Actually ba sobrang hirap ang hello? Yeah. Actually
You're good.
sobrang
You're good.
yeah. Sorry. So actually sobrang hirap.
Device is
I'm hearing someone. Do you have any questions so far? Okay. Actually, modern workplace is not just about technology, di ba? It requires a lot of consideration, di ba? Hindi lang siya basta technology na kailangan na, okay, let's acquire this solution, let's deploy it in this organization, and then we're modern workplace now. It's not just like that, no. It requires a lot of consideration, planning, and everything, no. Also, it requires different business leaders then, di ba, to embrace yung iba't ibang changes around the globe. Kasi if yung mismong business leaders or managements doesn't support the modernization, mas mahihirapan tayo doon, di ba? So we really need to explain and understand yung benefit ng Microsoft solutions on how employees increase the productivity and to be more efficient. Okay? So right now during pandemic, more online meetings than ever. We all know that, di ba? Before, kapag once na nagbi-meeting tayo, we need to include also yung travel time ng mga meetings natin. For example, meron tayong meeting ng 1 p.m. Dapat pag may another meeting tayo sa another client or another customers or another partnership, mga ganyan, as kailangan ma-include natin yung travel time. Bawal ka mag-schedule ng 2 p.m. Kailangan mag-schedule ka ng mga around 4 p.m. or onwards na. Kasi Makati, sobrang traffic, BGC, sobrang traffic, EDSA, di ba? So you need to include the time. But with the help of modernization, the modern workplace by Microsoft Solutions, actually mas nalilesen yung travel time. No, mas nagiging productive tayo. Right now, if may meeting kayo ng 1 to 2 p.m., you can schedule right away, right? 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., mas nagiging productive tayo. Actually, not just from work from home setup, but also yung mga on-site, di ba? On-site, you can also see the benefit of it. How? For example, you have a meeting, internal meeting within your team. And then, unfortunately, there are no available conference rooms. Walang meeting rooms, di ba? Walang available. But you need to schedule a meeting internally or other departments. So you just need to send a link via Microsoft Teams, join the call on your workstation, and makakapag-usap na kayo. What are the benefits? First, makakasave na tayo ng electricity dun sa mga conference room. Makakasave tayo ng effort. You just need to stay on your workstation, join the meeting, and then makakapag-collaborate na agad kayo. That's one of the benefit of modern workplace. If we will explain the benefit to our organizations, they will realize yung benefit ng Microsoft solutions. That's it. Okay. So okay. Yeah. So but how productive are they? So actually, that's one yung online meetings to, but work is more than meetings then. Diba? Sometimes we need to have a collaboration on a specific file. Sometimes naman we need to integrate different applications, third-party applications or Microsoft solutions application kailangan natin ma-integrate. Sometimes naman you need to schedule a shared calendar, diba? Or chat, instant messaging chat, diba? So Microsoft 365 supports the full digital transformation in your organization. Okay. So you can stay connected with different meeting types through the 1:1 meeting calls, through the group meetings, or through event or town hall. Like for example, this one, no, best example for webinars, diba? You can also use this Microsoft Teams. So it's either one-on-one, group meetings, or the event or town halls. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Teams. It is a one-stop shop application. It's a hub for teamwork. Kumbaga sinasabi ko nga sa mga client ko, it's a central hub for business. How? No, in Microsoft Teams, nandun na yung lahat, di ba? Sabi nga sa isang kanta, di ba, nasa iyo na ang lahat. That's the Microsoft Teams, all right? So that's the Microsoft 365. So why? Paano ko nasasabi yon? It's because first, you can chat, you can you can use the instant messaging feature of Microsoft Teams. Second is you can collaborate through different files and different application. You can also integrate other third-party applications. You can also create workflows like integration for Power Automate, Power Apps, Planner, OneNote, and so much more. So it's a one-stop shop application for your business. Okay? And also inside Microsoft Teams, there is tab for easy access for OneDrive. So you just need to click on that and ma-access mo na yung mismong OneDrive. Okay? So why complicate the collaboration? So bakit pa natin kinokomplika yung pagko-collaborate, di ba? Why we need to use different technologies? Why we need to use different applications in our organization? I feel you. Some of your users gumagamit Viber. Some of your users gumagamit Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp. What else? Um, uh, I forgot yung WeChat, di ba? Mga ganun, no? So, with Microsoft Teams, from chat, from files, OneNotes, meeting, task, you can also integrate videos and other application. Microsoft Teams can simplify this collaboration. Okay? So, one have everything connected, like what I've mentioned, through calls, chat, or collaboration using the Microsoft Teams. You can integrate Office 365 applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, SharePoint, Power BI, Microsoft Stream, Planner, and Microsoft Forms. You can also integrate third-party applications. For example, your organization requires gusto nila yung ginagamit nilang meeting is Zoom. You can also integrate Zoom in Microsoft Teams. No, you can also integrate Trello, Asana, 'di ba? Sobrang iba't ibang maraming application that you can integrate inside Microsoft Teams. Okay? So you can also create meeting calls in Microsoft Teams. Like for example, you want to communicate with your manager alone. You want to communicate with a specific user alone. You can just call them, diba? Through their accounts, through their Office 365 accounts. You can also host engaging interactive meetings like this one. No? It's a group call. So you can call they called it together mode. No, together mode kasi 'di ba before during the pandemic sobrang hirap, 'di ba? Lahat online. So Microsoft nakaisip sila ng paraan para virtually magkakasama pa rin in a one classroom, in one view. So para tayo magkakatabi dito, 'di ba? So that's a together mode. So may iba't ibang background din 'yan in Microsoft Teams. You can also host group meetings anywhere, di ba? Like for example, right now I'm in a hotel, but I can also join in transit. Kanina may nakita akong participant, di ba? Nagda-drive, di ba? Naka-on yung camera. So, di ba? It's yung benefit niyang you can work anytime and anywhere, di ba? Sobrang gamit na gamit natin. Okay? You can also create different backgrounds, di ba? You can upload your own background, di ba? Sometimes yung mga iba't ibang organization, they have own background. Actually, in previous work, kapag once may mga event kami like Halloween, Christmas party, or any event, is nagke-create sila ng marketing namin ng iba't ibang background at pare-parehas kaming background. So you can still use it kasi right now, during pandemic, hybrid pa rin yung setup natin, lalo na sa Metro Manila, right? So this is one of the example of live events or events that you can host a large audience up to 20K attendees. Diba? So mga town halls for the whole organization, different branches, different geolocation. Okay. So you can stay connected across different devices because it's compatible with different operating system, different devices such as desktop, either Windows or Mac OS, also with tablet, either iPad, Android, also with mobile phones, and also browser, web-based browser. You can join via Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and many more. I just want to also highlight din pala, yung si Microsoft Teams, you can install it on your devices through Play Store or App Store. So it's free, di ba? If you have account, you can just install it and then log in your account. You can use it na agad. Para lang siya mga Facebook, Messenger that you just need to download the application and then log in your account and ready to use na. Okay? So this is the Microsoft Teams Plus integration with Planner. What is Planner? So si Planner, it's a simplest task management na provided sa loob ni Office 365 application. So si Planner, ginagamit siya to track the assigned task to you by your manager or by your immediate head. For example, our business development manager, which is si Miss Len Acar, sometimes we have different events. No, usually ginagawa namin pag may mga iba't ibang events is si Miss Len is nagki-create na siya ng iba't ibang bucket sa Planner. Okay, so yung bucket dun sa Planner, nagki-create na siya, and then meron ng segregation of job. Like for example, Reniel, you need to focus about the feedback forms, about the QR code. You need also to focus about the freebies, and also inassign niya rin niya with our product manager, which is Miss Shara about it, about the venue, the locations, the freebies, the jackets, yung mga raffles, ganun. No? So from there, diba, we can monitor our task for that specific event. So that's the use of Planner, diba? To monitor the assigned task for a certain user or for your group or for your department. Okay? So for example, you have a project like systems. Like, kunwari, meron tayong system na kini-create na enrollment process, or let's just say onboarding system. Diba? From onboarding system, there are a lot of tasks na kailangan mo i-monitor. With the help of Planner, you can monitor the progress of each user assigned on the specific task. Okay? So that's the use of Planner. Ang kagandahan din with Microsoft Teams is you can also integrate the Power Automate. So Power Automate, from the word itself, just to automate the different tasks, to connect different application to each other. That's the Power Automate. Okay, si Power Automate naman, for example, from Microsoft Teams, you can get the messages and send to another application, or from Microsoft Forms, kunin niya yung mga details and send to Microsoft Teams naman for monitoring. So you can also use the low code to no code Power Apps and Power Automate. Okay, so para mas ma-appreciate natin si Microsoft Teams, I've prepared some use cases para sa isang organization. Okay. So these are the different industry solutions use cases ginagamit sa Microsoft Teams sa mga iba't ibang educations. I handle different university and colleges around the Philippines. May mga client in Pampanga, I have client in Manila, and also here in Mindanao, diba? You can use this as profession service, in banking institutions or financial institutions. I have so many clients in the bank that they're using Office 365 for the productivity and emails collaboration. For manufacturing, real estates, retail, diba? Energy and utilities. Actually, may client din ako, no, na it's an energy energy, I mean, parang ganun, na government agency, healthcare, airlines, and also many more. Okay? So mag-focus tayo sa isang example. Okay. So ito si Patty Fernandez. Si Patty Fernandez is isa siyang regional manager. So ang gusto niya is gusto niya ma-monitor yung mga shift ng mga employees niya, ng mga under niya by use of Planner. Pero gusto niya rin mag-create ng isang note na pwede mag-take down notes doon yung mga employee niya if okay sa kanila yung working preference about the schedule. So yun yung gusto niya ma-achieve. First is monitoring ng schedule through Planner, and next is notes under OneNote for the working preferences. Okay? And gusto niya yung dalawang tab na yon is shared to all the department, dun sa department niya as a regional manager. Okay. So anong application yung kailangan natin gamitin dito? Dahil gusto niya gumamit ng monitoring ng task or monitoring ng schedule, meron tayong Planner. Okay, that's one. gusto niya rin magkaroon ng notes for scheduling, we have also OneNote. Okay? So, paano siya? Let's see. Okay, so meron si Patty Fernandez na ginawang shift scheduling na channel. This is it. Let me on my laser pointer. Yan, shift scheduling. Okay. So ngayon, sa shift scheduling, dito sila nagko-collaborate ng mga team members niya as a regional manager. So create siya ng mga shift schedule for next week, mga shift coverage for June 3, and so on and so forth. Okay. Para ma-achieve yung notes for working preferences is nag-create siya ng one note dun sa tab. Imagine, from the conversation, from the collaboration between team members, is nag-integrate lang siya ng isang tab na one click, nandun na yung one note. So no need to toggle different applications. Diba? No need to open another browser just for the sake na ma-open mo yung OneNote na yun. From there, from one view in Microsoft Teams, just add one tab in OneNote and integrate your notes. So all the members can see all the tabs there. Okay, so they can monitor yung mga notes na binibigay ni Patty and other team members if ever meron man. Okay, so na-achieve ng isa, yung OneNote. Second one is gusto niya gumawa ng planner. Okay, si planner naman is para ma-monitor yung mga schedules. Yan. So, for example, under ng accessories department, kailangan ma-monitor yung mga stock room, cash drop, floor, di ba? So, may mga iba't ibang naka-assign dyan na employees. Okay? And also, under ng children's department, men's department, and so on and so forth. Ang kagandahan niya, because Planner is also supported ng mga mobile applications, so you can use Planner on your mobile phones. Just install Planner in App Store and Play Store, and you can see all the assigned tasks to you. Okay? So, and also gusto niya is during the collaborations in Planner in OneNote, ang gusto niya is mayroon din tayong another venue for collaboration. That's for conversations. For example, si Adele, meron siyang concerns about a specific scenario, so they can just post any comments, and then some of the team members na involved can write a comment. So there are collaborations, there are engagements rather, diba? There are communications dun sa mga team members natin. Okay? So that's the best example for a modern workplace using the Microsoft Teams with the integration with different applications. Actually, with partnership with ARC1, we really want to help you. No? That's why iniikot namin yung iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas to promote the modernization, to promote the digital transformation. So I'm with my team right now. No? I'm with Miss Len Akor and also with Miss Shara to help ARC1 to digitally transform the different businesses by use of Microsoft solutions. So we really want to enable the remote work today to simplify and save cost, and you can do less and focus on more important tasks. Okay? So these are the plans na meron kay Office 365. Actually, tatlo yan. No? If ever may nag-join na education, meron tayong education, meron tayong business, at meron tayong enterprise. Okay? So ang Microsoft 365 Business is meron lang siyang cap. Pag small and businesses lang naman yung organization natin, pwede na tayo dun sa business. Kasi up to 300 users lang siya. Pag beyond the 300 users, is kailangan na natin is enterprise. Okay, so we have Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Standard, and Premium. What are the differences? So Business Basic, cloud only. You have Microsoft Teams, you have Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive, and SharePoint, pero cloud only lang. You cannot install any application inside your device, on your device. So Business Standard naman is basic plus desktop application. So, kinuha niya yung cloud services ng basic at nag-add siya ng iba't ibang productivity application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and Access. Okay? So, Business Premium naman, if you have, concern with advanced security, for example, you're a financial institution, or for example, you're one of the nagpa-process ng mga confidential data, that Diyan napapasok si Business Premium na may included na advanced security. Okay? So if you're any interested with different plans, just communicate with ARC1, diba? Any solutions, any security, any plans with Microsoft 365. And if ever you or want a deep dive discussion, like you want really understand, we're here to help you. Now we're here to help you to transform, to evolve, and modernize your organization. Okay? Maraming salamat po everyone.